Hello and welcome to Crewe Volkswagen. Today we're doing an exterior video and also an interior video of this lovely all new Polo we currently got for sale. It's a brand new car and it is readily available for immediate delivery, so you best be quick. It's finished in the brilliant Guards red metallic paintwork. It's in also the 1 litre petrol engine producing 95 horsepower. It's being a brand new car, you've got a 3 years warranty and also 12 months roadside assistance as well for the peace of mind. You've got these beautiful new LED headlights, really do illuminate the road ahead of you. Got the 16-inch Palermo alloy wheels, look really great on this paintwork. Really nice red, just a change from the old colour in the flash red, much nicer in this shade. Just jumping into the rear now. You've got the cream headline and really brightens up the interior. Also these lovely new seats, this new design with the cloth, and also the contrasting white stitching as well. You've got ISOFIX points for the outer seats for any small passengers, and also a couple of charging points there as well for charging your devices in the back. Front and rear parking sensors stand on this car, make it a nice addition, so you don't have to worry about damaging your paint. Loads of room in the boot, the adjustable boot floor currently in its lowest setting. You also get 60/40 split folding seats as well from it to make even more room. There's plenty of luggage you can fit in there. Just jumping into the front of the vehicle, got a height adjustable seat, got a nice addition with lumbar support as well on here. Got a nice centre armrest as well, which I'll show shortly. It's got the iron dash pads and the leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel as well. That concludes a 360 walk around. In the moment I'm just going to jump behind the wheel. If you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, make sure you do click the button below for more content. It's just behind the wheel now. You've got loads of technology on here. So you've got your automatic headlights and wipers. You get heated and power folding wing mirrors as well. So on your left hand side you've got your adaptive cruise control settings. That'll maintain the same distance between you and the car in front and also decelerate for slow moving traffic. Right hand side controls all the information on this beautiful full digital display you got in front of you. You can change lots of different information to view on here, such as all your driving data, such as your range and your miles per gallon, etc. You've got assistance systems such as your lane assist as well. You can also have your navigation maps displayed in the centre. Got your full digital radio, plenty of storage for all your favourite stations to keep you entertained while on the move, and your multiple media inputs as well, of course including your Bluetooth connectivity to keep you connected while on the move. So everything's nice and sleek and easy to use. Alongside the navigation, you also get the brilliant App Connect system, giving you AndroidAuto and AppleCarPlay. I mean, you can mirror apps from your smartphone, such as Google Maps, Waze, and Spotify. So a quick view at your park distance control. You also get audible warnings as well. A little bit further down the dash, got the brilliant climate control system to keep both the driver and front passenger happy. Nice and easy to use with this touchpad. You just slide your finger along to change the temperature up or down. Just below that, got a couple of new charging points there for any devices and also a little bit of storage as well. A couple of cup holders in the centre. As mentioned, a little bit of storage just under that armrest as well to keep any valuables out of sight. Thanks very much for watching this video. If you've got any questions on this car or you would like to book in for an appointment, why not give our friendly sales team a call on 01270 864 452. This car is brand new and is readily available for immediate delivery, so you can skip the lead time from the factory. Don't forget to ask about our flexible finance packages as well, designed to suit you. Thanks very much and take care.